Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is a National Science Day, and on this lovely day, I'm going to show you simple, easy experiments. So let's watch.
Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Kids Pebbles and Pebbles Education. On 20th Feb, we are going to celebrate Science Day. For that, I am going to show you many experiments. So let's watch. First experiment we are going to do with this material. You need turmeric, half lemon, water, empty bowl, 1 spoon. Take first empty bowl, add turmeric in that bowl. Then add little water and mix it well, and then see this water has turned yellow color. Now let's do one magic. And now after mixing this, see this is turn yellow color. Now let's do magic. I am going to add detergent powder. So let's see and observe what happens. See, can you see the magic? After adding detergent powder, this color had changed into red color. Observe it carefully. See, totally it has turned red. Now again let's do a magic by using this half lemon in this. Add lemon and then see the magic.
Mix it well. We had to add little lemon again and see.
Can you see? It has turned yellow again. So it reacts with the acid. So it turns into red and yellow. So do this experiment. Now let's do floating and sinking experiment. I have many materials: leaf, spoon, cap, kitchen and one steel spoon. So let's do first floating experiment. I'm going to add this cap in this water and observe the things are floating on the water because it has no weight. It is very light and it sinks on the water. Now let's observe second bowl. I'm going to add a steel spoon in this and see this spoon went inside. It is sinking. And let's add this kitchen in this water. It is sinking because of heavy weight. So do this experiment at home.
Science experiments are like having fun.
Let's do last experiment with lemon baking soda. So take half spoon of baking soda and half lemon. I have already took juice of lemon. Now let's add this baking soda in this lemon juice and let's see fun. See, after adding this baking powder in lemon juice, it has started reacting and the bubbles are coming up. See the fantastic fun, because this lemon is acidic, so it gets reacted with baking powder, so it forms bubbles and it has a gas in the form of soda, baking soda. So enjoy such type of science experiment. And everyone, thank you for observing this video. Happy Science Day. Bye. Take care.